A game-changing partnership between Nokia and INX-ZA is revolutionizing internet connectivity for South Africa's digital communities, setting a new benchmark for the continent. This bold move ensures that end users gain access to high-capacity, high-availability internet exchange services, unlocking unprecedented levels of performance and reliability. But here's where it gets interesting. INX-ZA's adoption of Nokia's cutting-edge IP networking solution supports a scalable, next-generation internet exchange architecture, paving the way for a more connected future. And this is the part most people miss. The implications of this collaboration extend far beyond South Africa's borders, potentially sparking a domino effect of digital transformation across the entire African continent. Nokia, a global leader in telecommunications technology, has been entrusted by INX-ZA, the Internet Exchange Point division of the Internet Service Provider Association, ISPA, to modernize its exchange infrastructure. INX-ZA's decision to deploy Nokia's high-performance IP routing portfolio signifies a significant leap forward in offering new 400GE and expanded 100GE services to its customers nationwide. As a direct consequence, businesses and internet users across South Africa can now anticipate a faster, more resilient, and future-proof internet experience. Internet exchanges play a pivotal role in the digital ecosystem, facilitating local data exchange and minimizing reliance on costly international bandwidth. However, many internet exchange points, ISPs, in Africa are still grappling with outdated platforms that hinder scalability and efficiency. INX-ZA's strategic shift to Nokia's advanced solution directly addresses these challenges, ushering in an era of energy-efficient, scalable, and high-density infrastructure that can seamlessly adapt to the region's evolving digital landscape. Nokia's expertise will be put to the test as it upgrades INX-ZA's internet exchange points in Johannesburg, Cape Town, and Durban, starting with Johannesburg, the proud home of JINX, Africa's oldest internet exchange point, which boasts an impressive 100% uptime record since its inception in 1996. By the end of the year, Nokia and INX-ZA aim to expand JINX from 7 to 10 data centers, deploying 30 high-performance platforms in the initial phase to uphold its unrivaled availability while broadening its reach. The deployment, fueled by Nokia's high-capacity 7250 Interconnect routers and Service Router Operating System, SROS, empowers INX-ZA to offer 400GE and expanded 100GE services for peering partners and Internet Service Providers, ISPs, a first for the region. Moreover, it enhances the scale and performance of INX-ZA's backbone, enabling seamless connectivity to various points of presence, POPs, via 400GE links. This pioneering initiative lays the groundwork for similar advancements at other legacy exchange points across the continent. It represents a monumental stride toward more efficient, adaptable, and high-performance network infrastructure for South African ISPs, cloud providers, and enterprises, propelling the nation's digital economy into the future. Nishal Gobravon, General Manager of INX-ZA, eloquently captures the essence of this transformative partnership. Upgrading to Nokia's 400GE-ready infrastructure is not merely about expanding capacity. It's about redefining how South Africa connects. With this state-of-the-art, energy-efficient platform, INX-ZA can provide quicker, more dependable, and more sustainable interconnection services while preserving the uptime and performance that our community has grown accustomed to. Nokia's technology bestows upon us the scale and capability to maintain our exchange's position at the forefront of global standards, fueling the country's digital economy for years to come. Tony Pellegrino, head of South and East Africa Sales Unit, Network Infrastructure, Nokia, adds a poignant perspective. In an era where content consumption and production are skyrocketing and businesses are migrating their operations to the cloud, internet exchanges are indispensable components of digital infrastructure. Collaborating with customers like INX-ZA, who are dedicated to technical excellence and community empowerment, resonates with our commitment to delivering robust, sustainable, and scalable trusted infrastructure in South Africa. Our platforms provide the flexibility and openness required to address today's interconnection demands, while paving the way for future innovation through SR Linux and automation.